Hi, 2000 Deals here. Giving a brief demonstration on a Sears Whisper Matic 3 slide projector, basically made by Gaff for Sears. The projector comes with a remote extension cable, lens cover, dust cover for over the main section, and it also comes with a new tray. On the projector itself, the main control is lamp, fan, and off, forward and reverse for the slides, and focus control. On the remote, has the same three functions. So let's give it a shot and see what it does. If you hold the cycle button, it'll just rapidly feed through the slides. Reverse. And same thing, hold it, it will rapidly feed through. And again, rapid. So that's pretty much everything on the slide projector itself. If you have any questions, concerns, or something I need to know, don't hesitate to give me a shout, because we're here to make sure we sell everything to the best of our knowledge. So, thank you for watching. 2000 Deals out.